You're gliding through traffic, no engine roar, just the smooth hum of power beneath you. Gas prices, a distant memory. Range anxiety, gone. You're not just driving a car. You're stepping into the future. What if I told you the best-selling SUV in America just got smarter, smoother, and far more powerful, without shouting about it? This is the 2025 Honda CR-V Hybrid, and it's not just an upgrade. It's a declaration. Let's start with a truth that's hard to ignore. Americans love reliability. We love vehicles that last. And Honda. It's been part of our driveways for decades, for a reason. The CR-V is Honda's crown jewel, trusted by families, adventurers, commuters, and now, redefined for a new era. The 2025 CR-V Hybrid is not just eco-conscious. It's a statement that performance and responsibility can live in the same garage. First impressions matter. And this one, it's bold. The CR-V Hybrid's exterior commands wider stance, sharper lines, aerodynamic presence, and that signature front grille, sleek, sculpted, unapologetically modern. You're not just pulling into your driveway anymore. You're arriving with presence. This isn't your neighbor's crossover. This is what evolution looks like in motion. Step inside. The cabin is a masterclass in minimalism. Premium materials, intuitive layout, and space, plenty of it. Features like a panoramic moonroof, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a redesigned digital instrument cluster, and heated, ergonomically sculpted seats. It's not just comfortable, it's intelligent. It's where technology meets tranquility. Fear is real, fear of missing out, of buying the wrong car, of settling. Let's talk power. Under the hood, a 2.0L 4-cylinder hybrid engine paired with 2 electric motors, 204 horsepower, seamless torque delivery, and yes, available all-wheel drive. It doesn't scream, it surges, effortlessly, quietly, confidently, 0 to 60 in under 8 seconds. And yet, it sips fuel like it's on a diet. Think hybrids are boring. This one will change your mind in a single on-ramp. But this is what peace of mind feels like. Fuel economy. Expect up to 40 mpg combined, a staggering figure for a vehicle this capable. Road trips. Handled. Daily commute a breeze. You'll spend more time going and less time fueling. Think about it. How much is your time worth? How much would you save, not just on gas, but on stress? This isn't just about mpg. It's about freedom. Here's where Honda goes from good to legendary. The Honda Sensing Suite now includes collision mitigation braking, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a new traffic jam assist. In a world where distractions are everywhere, your CR-V has your back. What if your car could anticipate danger before you even saw it? That's not science fiction. That's the 2025 CR-V Hybrid. You want smart? You've got it. An upgraded infotainment system, voice command navigation, even wireless phone charging. No wires, no clutter, no nonsense. Your life doesn't stop when you're driving. And now, your car understands that. You want smart? You've got it. An upgraded infotainment system, voice command navigation, even wireless phone charging. No wires, no clutter, no nonsense. Your life doesn't stop when you're driving. And now, your car understands that. You want smart? You've got it. An upgraded infotainment system, voice command navigation, even wireless phone charging. No wires, no clutter, no nonsense. Your life doesn't stop when you're driving. And now, your car understands that. You want smart? You've got it. An upgraded infotainment system, voice command navigation, even wireless phone charging. No wires, no clutter, no nonsense. Your life doesn't stop when you're driving. And now, your car understands that. Whether you're looking at the Sport, Sport L, or Sport Touring trim, one thing is clear. You're getting incredible value. And with a price starting in the low to mid $30Ks. This isn't just one of the smartest hybrid crossovers out there, it might be the most accessible one. Resale value. Strong. Maintenance costs. Low. Insurance. Affordable. This isn't a risky bet. It's a solid investment in your future. You're not here for hype. You're here because you want more. More performance. More style. More future. Less compromise. The 2025 Honda CR-V Hybrid isn't perfect. But it might be perfect for you. So here's the question. Are you ready to drive forward, or are you still stuck in reverse? Your future is waiting, in the driver's seat. Make it count.